everyone, welcome to another episode of your pre-recorded video presentation. This is Jai B. Palar Gorpio, giving you the best learning online. So come on, grab your pen and paper, join me as we start. Have you heard about l'assurance examination for teachers? What do you think are practicing sample LAT questions and reviewing content areas to strengthen readiness for exam? Now, we will find out in this discussion, so listen attentively. Our topic for today's discussion is all about test-taking strategies for the LAT, specifically practicing sample LAT questions and reviewing content areas to strengthen readiness for the exam. The assurance examination for teachers in the Philippines is crucial assessment administered by the Professional Regulation Commission or the PRC through the Republic Act 7836, otherwise known as the Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act of 1994. On December 16, 1994. Practicing sample LAT questions involves engaging with mock exams or practice tests that simulate the format and content of the actual LAT exam. Reviewing content areas refers to studying and revisiting key concepts or key topics and subjects covered in the LAT exam to enhance knowledge and understanding. Now, what is General Education or Gen Ed? It evaluates the examinee's proficiency in core subjects such as English, mathematics, science, Filipino, and social sciences, that is according to PNAS 2024. The format of the LAT exams are multiple choice questions, number of items around 150 items, types of questions cover various subjects such as English, Filipino, mathematics, science, social sciences, and humanities. Time limit typically around 3 hours. Now, what is professional education or Prof Ed? It focuses on pedagogical principles and practices that are essential for effective teaching. That is according to PNAS 2024. Format is multiple choice questions, number of items around 150 items, and type of questions cover topics related to education, teaching strategies, assessment methods, child development, educational psychology, principles and theories of learning, and above all, Philippine educational laws and policies. Time limit, typically around 3 hours. These details are based on common practices for the LAT exam, but candidates should always verify the specific requirements and guidelines provided by the Professional Regulation Commission or the PRC of the Philippines, as they may update or modify exam specifications over time. So this is the example of answer sheet. When filling out the LAT exam answer sheet, ensure to follow the do's and don'ts. Number 1, do read the instructions carefully before starting. Second, fill in the bubbles completely and neatly. Third, use a number 2 pencil. And last, review your answers before submitting. Don'ts. Number 1, don't use pens or markers. Make stray marks on the answer sheet or leave any questions unanswered. So these guidelines are crucial for ensuring accurate scoring and avoiding potential errors. Practicing sample LAT question plays a crucial role in exam preparation for several reasons. That is according to Chan 2018. The first is familiarization with exam format. By regularly practicing sample LAT questions, candidates become familiar with the format and structure of the exam. So this familiarity reduces anxiety on the actual exam day and allows candidates to focus more on answering questions effectively. Second, understanding types of questions. LAT exams often contain various question types, including multiple choice, true or false, and essay questions. Practicing sample questions helps candidates understand the different types of questions they may encounter and develop strategies for approaching each type effectively. Next, identifying content areas. Sample LAT questions cover a wide range of content areas relevant to the exam. By practicing these questions, candidates can identify which content areas they are strong in and which areas require further study and review. Next is improving time management. LAT exams are timed, and time management is critical for success. Regular practice with sample questions helps candidates learn how to pace themselves effectively during the exam. Next is building confidence. As candidates practice more sample questions and see their scores improve, they can gain confidence in their abilities and feel more prepared for the actual exam. Next, and the last, is enhancing problem-solving skills. Sample LAT questions often require candidates to apply critical thinking and problem-solving skills to arrive at the correct answers. So regular practice helps candidates to hone these skills. Next is targeted review based on the LAT exam syllabus is invaluable for effective preparation as it allows candidates to, that is according to Salazar 2017. First is identify strengths and weaknesses. Second, maximize efficiency. Next is ensure comprehensive coverage. Next is customize study plans. Armed with knowledge of their strengths and weaknesses based on the exam syllabus, candidates can tailor their study plans to prioritize areas that they need more attention while allocating less time to areas where they are already proficient. Next is boost confidence. Now let's proceed to using sample LAT questions can be an excellent way to prepare effectively. And here are some strategies according to Mendoza and Panganiban 2019. The first strategies is assessment. The next strategy is study planning. Next is regular practice. Number 4, review and analyze. Last is stay positive and motivated. Now let's proceed to engaging in group discussions or study sessions can greatly enhance exam preparation through collaborative learning. Here's why it's beneficial according to Slavin 2014. It's beneficial because you can share insights. Next is clarification of concepts. Next, peer teaching. Next is motivation and accountability. Last is diverse perspectives. So that's the end of my discussion about practicing sample LAT questions and reviewing content areas to strengthen readiness for the exam. I hope you learned something